Today, March 7, 2025, the Trump administration has stated an executive order to revive American shipbuilding and challenge China's dominance in the global shipping arena. This would be a significant step towards U.S. decoupling trade relation from China. Did you know that Chinese shipbuilders now produce over 50% of the world's merchant vessel capacity? That's a staggering leap from just 5% in 1999. This shift has left U.S. shipbuilders struggling, with our industry peaking back in the 1970s. The draft executive order, dated February 27, proposes imposing fees on any vessel entering U.S. ports if it's part of a fleet that includes ships built or flagged in China. From U.S. perspectives, this move is not just about economics, it's about national security and restoring the country's naval readiness. Surprisingly, this issue has united both Republican and Democratic lawmakers, highlighting the anxiety and urgency of addressing China's maritime dominance. It's a critical moment for American industry and our strategic interests on the high seas.